Welcome to the next phase of our campaign designing, and in this part we will design about ad groups. We know what ad groups are and what are the purposes of designing the ad groups in a given campaign. The very first objective of designing the ad group is that we have to set the target audience on the basis of various parameters. Secondly, in the ad groups we have to set the bid amount. So let us start designing our ad groups. Give any name to the ad group. We know that under ad group we have to set target audience and set a bid amount. You can target the audience on the basis of people and content. Under people, you can target the audience on the basis of demographics and types of audience. Under demographics, we can target the audience on the basis of gender, age, parental status and the household income. In case of audience, we have multiple options to select from the different types of audience, like who they are, having subcategories like parental status, marital status, education, and hometown ownership status. We can also target the audience on the basis of their interest and habits. There are multiple categories to select from, and you can narrow down your audience by selecting an appropriate category. A third category is in-market audience, representing what your customers are searching for or planning to buy. You can select an appropriate category from here depending upon your product and brand. Next, we have remarketing and similar audience. I have promised with you that I will discuss this concept in one of the videos in the coming modules, so leave it as it is. Lastly, we can combine multiple audience categories as well if required. You can also take the help of ideas suggested by the Google. Finally, let me select my audience on the basis of education. Next, we can select our audience on the basis of content, that means where you want to show the ads. You may define few keywords that must be present in the video description or websites, and your ad will be shown there. You may get ideas on the basis of your address of the website or simply by typing the product and services here. Add appropriate keywords by using the plus sign. Instead of specific keywords, you may select a particular topic as well, which you think may be interested for your prospects. Lastly, we have the placements. I have already discussed that placement is a very narrow targeting, and you may simply target a specific YouTube channel, YouTube videos, popular content, websites, apps, or app categories. First, we have the YouTube channel. Type any keyword here and Google will search YouTube channels related to that keyword, that is digital marketing. See here, we have 1000 plus channels related to our keyword. Similarly, we have videos, but no popular content. Around 175 websites, apps, and app categories. You may make the selection out of the given options by exploring these options more. Next, we have to set the target CPM, that is cost per 1000 impression, that you would like to pay to the Google if your ad impression is there. The rule is simple. Just set a bid amount initially on the trial basis, watch the performance of your campaign, and then decide what will be the final bid amount. Top content bid adjustment is optional. It simply means by increasing your bids by X percentage, you can increase the likelihood of serving your video ads on the most popular content of YouTube and display network. As on date, the top content bid adjustment is applicable in few selected countries only. So, we have completed the ad group designing phase of our ongoing campaign. So in this phase, we set our target audience on the basis of various parameters. We also set the bid amount for our ads. Now the very interesting phase is waiting for you. Now what is that phase? Just join me in the next video.